Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to find out if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. While WhatsApp makes it a priority to keep privacy respected, meaning they don't explicitly notify you when someone blocks you, there are several clues you can look for to make an educated guess. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the person you suspect has blocked you. If you can no longer see their last seen or online status at the top of the chat, this could be a sign. However, remember that WhatsApp allows users to hide their last seen status, so this alone isn't conclusive. Next, check their profile picture. If it hasn't changed in a long time or you can't see it at all, it might mean they've blocked you. Again, this isn't a sure sign by itself because some people don't update their picture or have set their privacy settings to not show it to everyone. Send a message to the contact. If the message you sent only shows one check mark and never shows a second check mark, they might have blocked you. This is especially telling if it remains this way for a long period. Try making a WhatsApp call to the person. If the call doesn't go through, it could be another indicator that you've been blocked. However, this could also be due to network issues, so consider other factors as well. As a final step, try adding the contact to a group chat. If you receive a message saying you are not authorized to add this contact, it's a strong indication that you have been blocked. Remember, no single one of these signs definitively confirms that you've been blocked. WhatsApp has designed these privacy features to keep users' actions private. If you're experiencing all of these signs with a particular contact, it's likely, but not guaranteed, that you've been blocked. Understanding these signs can help you navigate your interactions on WhatsApp with more awareness. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.